Hi there, and today we're going to have a Wix Accessibility tutorial. So if you don't know what accessibility is, I have here an article by Wix that focuses on accessibility. So a major feature that you need to have in your website is accessibility. So this refers to the practice of formatting your site to ensure everyone, able-bodied or disabled, or another term for disabled nowadays is called differently abled, can equally access, navigate, and interact with your site's content. So you need to make sure that you have accessibility features so that everyone, regardless of their condition, can navigate and enjoy the content of your website. So an example is that having different accommodations for your website is visual accommodations. So you need to make sure you have accessibility features for people with low vision or loss of vision. So because they usually rely on assistive technologies like screen readers or visual formatting such as increased text size and higher color contrast so that they can go ahead and navigate your website. And there are also other examples right here that you can have for different accessibility features like limited motor function accommodations, auditory accommodations, cognitive accommodations, neurological, and then speech accommodation. So go ahead and read the different details right here. And then if you want to build an accessible Wix site, what you can do is that you can use the templates in Wix that already have accessibility features, or we can also use the accessibility wizard so that we can go ahead and fix the problem with our website. So we will tackle that later on. And then in having a website with accessibility features, you need to go ahead and check the checklist for it. So these are the common recommendations that is listed by Wix. So you need to have your different site languages, visual indicators, your site structure, and so on and so forth. And it is very important that you have accessibility features in your website because this is now a law in many countries. So that's why you need to make sure that you also have the accessibility requirements for your country so that you can go ahead and use your Wix website. So now we are going to the Wix website editor. So from your dashboard, just click edit site and then your Wix website editor will open in a new tab. So I have my Wix website editor right here. And then to access the accessibility wizard, we just need to click on settings and then you can see the option right here for accessibility wizard. So just click on that and then it should appear right here on the right side. And then if you don't have this yet, you can just click scan right here so that it will scan your website for different problems. And what the accessibility wizard does is that it goes ahead and scans your whole website about features that you can improve so that you can have more accessibility for your Wix website. And then the common issues that you need to know are having headings or like heading styles for your text. So it is important that you have distinct headings for different text in your website so that applications like screen readers that is used by people with low vision can use the screen reader and then the screen reader will differentiate the different important text in your website using the headings. And then another is by having color contrast. So for example, this text right here is really hard to see since it blends in with the background. So what we need to do is that we need to change this text to a high contrast color. So for example, black, so that we can see this text more clearly. And then another is by having alt text in your images. So you need to have alt text in your images because this will let screen readers read and describe the image to the users that use them. So just go ahead and use the accessibility wizard right here. So for example, for the homepage, there are 4 issues. We have unsupported elements right here. So we need to fix the Wix search bar and then the Wix forms. And then to do that, you can just click edit right here, and then it will tell you the steps that you can do to fix the problem. So for example, we can click read this article, and it says that we need to switch to the new Wix site search. And then to do that, we need to uninstall the app and then install the new version of the app again. So let me close this. So we can go to add apps, manage apps, and then let's find the Wix site search. Let's uninstall this. And then let's go ahead and add the new version. So let's type in Wix site search. Then we can click the application and then add it to our website. And then we'll just wait for it to finish. And then now we have the Wix site search added to our website right here. And then let's go back and then open the accessibility wizard again. Next, we need to have an organized heading structure. So all of the other headings right here are fixed. So we need to fix this heading 1. So this page should only have one main heading. So we can just go to the text right here, customize the design, and then make sure that it is the heading 1 right here. And then let's scroll down right here and then we can see another form right here that has the heading 1. So we need to change this. We can just click edit form, or maybe we can view the settings right here. Go to design, and then let's check the form fields right here. So it is not in heading 1. Then for the header and paragraph, so I think there's just a problem with this one since it's not listed as heading 1. But this one, the heading 5, subscribe to site, so it skips a level. So we need that to be H3 right here. And then just go ahead and fix your problem with your headings. And then next, we need to add alt text to images. So let's get started right here. So for example, the home text, the home image right here, it is the logo, and an alt text should be descriptive. So we can delete this, and then let's say a sun logo that directs to the home page when clicked. So you need to be as descriptive as possible in having images right here. But if you determine that the image is just for aesthetic or decorative purposes, you can also turn this on if it's not required. So I can just click apply right here. And then right here, this is just decorative image right here. So I can just turn this on, this option right here. And then just go ahead and add the alt text to all of the other images that you have in your website. And then click apply. And then once you're finished fixing the issues for your website right here, you can just go ahead and scan it again. So next, we also need to fix this color contrast right here. Like for example, this text right here, it is in this color right here. So we need to have a high contrast color. So for example, let's choose a more dark color right here so that it is more distinct in our website. And then we need to do the same thing for the other text right here, like for our menu right here. So let's say the foreground can be black, and then let's just go ahead, go to the horizontal menu, click design, and then let's customize the design. And then let me see right here. Let's edit the menu items, and instead of having this low contrast right here, now we have a high contrast. And then that is it. So just go ahead and follow all of the issues right here in your accessibility wizard, and then you can click scan again so that it will resolve all of the previous issues that you have in your Wix website. And then let's see right here after it's finished scanning. I think there's a problem with scanning my website right now, so it's taking a long time, but nevertheless, that is how we use the Wix Accessibility Wizard so that we can go ahead and fix the issues in our website. And then that is it for my Wix Accessibility tutorial. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.